Our next topic is continuity and differentiability. We will guess 3 marks for 3 questions from in this topic. Okay. Let now from the continuity, the function f of x equals to cos 3x minus cos 4x by x square for x not equal 0 and 7 by 2 for x equals 0. Okay. Now let us check the continuity at x equals 0. Okay. Now options are continuous, discontinuous, left continuous and right continuous. Okay. Let us check the problem. Here we can follow in the 2 hints. One hint, limit extends to 0 cos ax minus cos bx by x square equals to, definitely here we have b square minus a square by 2 and here limit extends to 0 sin x by x equals to 1 we have. Okay. Then we need for 0 plus, limit extends to 0 plus, that means x greater than 0, and limit extends to 0 minus, that is x less than 0. Okay. So for left and right we have here b square, already that is a 1. Okay. After simplification we will get the like this. So limit extends to 0 sin x by x equals to 1 and b square minus a square by 2 should be, it is a constant. So no need to substitute x equals to 0 here. So either left or right, the function should be b square minus a square by 2 means b square minus a square, 4 square minus 3 square by 2, that is a 7 by 2. Already we have at x equals 0, that is a 7 by 2. Yes or no? Okay. So the function should be continuous. Okay. Let the function f be the non-zero real valued continuous function satisfying f of x plus y equals to f of x into f of y for all x comma y belongs to R. If f of 2 equals to 9, then f of 6 equals to what? 3 square, 3 power 6, 3 power 4, 3 cube. Okay. Let us check. We know f of 6 equals to, shall I write like this, f of 4 plus 2, then f of 4 into f of 2, then f of 2 plus 2, 4 can be written as 2 plus 2, then it is also f of 2 into f of 2 because of f of x plus y equals to f of x into f of y and also f of 2. Okay. Now it is the f of 2 whole cube. Okay. Then f of 2 is a 9, 9 cube, 9 cube is nothing but 3 power 2, 3 power 6. Okay. Here observe f of x equals to 3 power x. Okay. Then f of 6 equals to 3 power 6. Okay. Second option is right answer. Okay. Here first option continuous. Okay. Let us do more. X equals to sin step of x by step of x for step of x not equal 0, 0 for step of x equals to 0. Okay. Here option is it is a continuous at x equals 0, discontinuous at x equals 0, LHL equals to 0, RHL equals to 1. Okay. First we can check in LHL. Left hand limit. Left hand limit should be where x tends to 0 at x equals to 0, yes or no? But at x tends to 0 negative, then x less than 0. When x less than 0, either greater than 0, the function should be limit x tends to 0, then sin step of x by step of x equals to sin of minus 1 by minus 1 equals to minus sin 1. Okay. Leave that. And RHL here also at x tends to 0 plus 0 minus sin step of x by f step of x equals to sin of minus 1 by minus 1. Okay, leave that. Then what about RHL? Here RHL equals to where x tends to 0 plus, when x tends to 0 plus step of x tends to, where x tends to 0 minus step of x equals to minus 1. Yes or no? Where x tends to 0 plus means step of x equals to 0. If for step of x equals 0, the function should be what? 0. Yes or no? Then RHL equals to 0. So LHL not equals to RHL. So actually LHL not a 0, RHL not a 1. Yes or no? These are not a options, correct options. And also these are not equals to each other, so that is not a continuous. So definitely it should be discontinuous at x equals to 0. Okay. Now f of x equals to step of x plus step of x modulus of x plus modulus x minus 1 is a continuous at already that is a continuous, but at what value of x? At 0 or 0 comma 1, everywhere, nowhere. Simply at 0 and 1 definitely it should be continuous. Clearly we know 0, suppose substituting 0 here 0 we will get 1. Yes or no? For 1 plus 1 minus 1 is 1. Okay. Clearly we know for 0 and 1 it should be continuous. Let us checking at x less than 1. At x less than 1, here f of x equals to what? At x less than 1 it is a minus x. Now it is also minus x plus 1, like that. Minus 2x plus 1. At x less than 1 it is a minus 2x plus 1. After we will finding the right and left, it should be continuous. Okay, leave that. For x less than 2 also be the function, for x less than not a 2, for x less than 0 also the function, the same function we will get, the same function like this, minus 2x plus 1. And also at x greater than 1 it is a x plus x minus 1, 2x minus 1. So at x greater than 2, definitely we will get the same function for x greater than 2, x greater than 3, x greater than 3 or 4, like that. Okay. Here also x less than 0, x less than minus 1, 2, minus 2, for anywhere. So everywhere it should be continuous, because of we will get the same function. Okay. I hope you can understand this. Okay. For everywhere we will get the same function, that's why it should be continuous yet everywhere. Okay. Our option is third one. Okay. Now the question from differentiability. If f of x plus y equals to f of x, f of y, for all x comma y belongs to R, f of y equals to 2, f dash of 0 equals to 3, then f dash of y equals to 1. By the formula, now options are 2, 3, 5, 6. By the formula actually, when f of x plus y equals to f of x, f of y, then we should write f dash of x equals to f dash of 0 and f of x. Okay. Then here f dash of x equals to f dash of phi equals to, what do you want? F dash of phi equals to f dash of 0 into f of phi. Given only 2, then f dash of 0 is a 3, it is a 2, and that is a 6. Okay. Fourth option is right. Okay, now let f of x equals to 3 functions are given like this, when these intervals, the corresponding intervals, then f of x equals to, okay, I think it is a f dash of x, then f of x, okay, f of x is what? Differentiable x equals to 1, differentiable at x equals 2, differentiable at x equals 1 and x equals 2, not differentiable at x equals 0. Okay, it is not f dash of x. F of x is a differentiable. So we need f dash of x. So we can find the f dash of x. Okay, let f dash of x equals to, let observe, we have f of x. when x less than 1. So first of all, we have here two limiting points, 1 and 2, yes or no? Here we have 1 and 2. First of all, we can checking the f dash of x at x equals to 1. X equals to 1. Let's check f dash of 1 minus. You can finding left and right limits. Okay. F dash of 1 minus. F dash of 1 minus means what? X less than 1. When x less than 1, the function should be x. So differentiation of x is a 1. Okay. Now at f dash of 1 plus, that means when x greater than 1, when x greater than 1, the f of x should be 2 minus x. Their differentiation is what? Their differentiation is a minus 1. Okay. No need to substitute 1. Okay. Because of it is a constant. Next, that is over. These are not equal. So it is not a differentiable at x equals to 1. Okay. Not this option and also this one. Okay. Now let's check at x equals to 2. Okay. Now if x less than 2, f dash of 2 minus equals to x less than 2, the function should be 2 minus x. Then f dash of x is a minus 1 at x equals to 2, that is also be minus 1 because of it is a constant. Then x greater than 2, then that means right side one, 2 plus x greater than 2. So f dash of x equals to, when x greater than 2, the function should be minus 2 plus 3x minus x square. We need the differentiation of function 0, 3 minus 2x. Okay. Now substitute in the place of x equals to 2. It should be minus 1. So f dash of 2 minus equals to f dash of 2 plus. Okay. So it is differentiable at x equals to 2. Okay. Second option is the right answer. Let's go with more problems. The function f of x equals to modulus of x cube is differentiable everywhere, not a continuous function. Continuous function not differentiable at x equals 0. A function with a range 0 comma infinity. Eighth answer is differentiable everywhere. Okay. Okay, let us go with the next problem. The function f of x equals to modulus of x cube is a differentiable, not a continuous, but not differentiable a function with the range 0 comma infinity. Okay, let us check. Here clearly we know f of x equals to mod x cube. So shall I write like this? It is a minus x cube when x less than 0. Yes or no? And it is a 0 when x equals to 0. And it is a x cube when x greater than 0. Okay, clearly. Now checking at x equals to 0. At x equals to 0, now it should be, we need differentiable or not. First of all, f dash of 0. Okay. First of all, f dash of 0 minus at x less than 0. At x less than 0, the function should be minus x cube. So we need f dash. So minus x 3x square, 3x square, and also in the place of x equals 0, it should be 0. Okay. So and also x equals to 0 at f dash of 0 plus, here also plus 3x cube, it is a 3 into 0 equals to 0. Okay. 0. Okay, these are equal and also differentiable. So clearly here mentioned differentiable, definitely it should be the first option, differentiable. It is a differentiable. Okay, no need to check the remaining. Okay, now 8th one. If f of x equals to minus 3x plus 2 x less than 1, 1 by 2 x square plus 7 x greater than or equals to 1, then which of the following is not true? Okay, which one is not true? Let us check. Let f of x equals to given, so we can finding the f dash of x direct. Okay, minus 3 when x less than 1. Now it is a 2x differentiation of this one, 2x, so x, it is a 0. Okay, when x greater or equal to 1. Okay, let us check first one, f dash of 1 plus, f dash of 1 plus, that means x less than 1, where x less than 1, f dash of 1 plus equals to what? Okay, substitute 1, yes or no? In the place of x equals substitute 1, already that is a differentiable. Okay, 1, okay, leave that, it is a correct. Okay, not true, actually it is a true. Okay, we have to find which one is a false. Okay, let f dash of 1 minus, f dash of 1 minus means x less than 1, so x less than 1, that is a minus 3. Okay, this one also right option, right up, not a option, right one. Okay, f dash of 1 minus f dash of 1 plus equals to 1, no, these are not equals to each other, yes or no? So this is a wrong option clearly. Okay, so f dash of 1 minus equals to f dash of 1 plus equals to 1, that one is a not a true. Okay, our option is third one. Okay, now these are the different methods and also regular problems. Okay, please follow this, and also please like my video and also share. Okay, comment on comment box. Thank you so much.